Hi my YouTube family, my name is Mukesh and I'm going to record a vlog. Udaipur is the beautiful city. Everybody knows, those who have visited the beauty of Udaipur, they know very well. So I'll show you today. We are going to visit the most popular destination of Udaipur with my family. So in this vlog I'll show you the beauty of Udaipur. She's my daughter Himanshi. Hi. And she's my wife, and the notorious boy Devin Janma. We all are going to visit the Karni Mata temple. What is the specialty there? The ancient temple and the rope way. The rope way, it is only a place in Udaipur where you can have the fun of this adventurous activity, rope way. And it is situated at 3-4 destination. I mean, near that Karni Mata, it is on the top of the hill, and it is on the bank of the Pichola. So I'll show you the Pichola. I'll show you the city palace. It's just near to city palace, and a very popular Dudh Talai is there. So are you all ready? Ready? Okay, so
Yes.
Let's go. Here you can see the Gulab Bagh. This is again the very popular tourist destination of Udaipur. Whenever you visit, you must visit this place. This is the gate, main gate of Gulab Bagh. One gate is that side where we are going. This is the one gate. Side, this is the Gulab Bagh, and here is the gate, another gate of Gulab Bagh. This comes, the another way is coming, that is called Mashla Mangra. So this gate is of Gulab Bagh. If you visit next time, there are two ways: Karni Mata, Dudh Talai, and of course Pichola. It's a beautiful gate. Right side, this is called the Dudh Talai, and there is a long history behind Dudh Talai. Why the name is Dudh Talai, I'll tell you some other time. But you can see this Dudh Talai. We are going there on the top. There is a rope way, and here is another way. If you want to go through these stairs, this is the way. If you come to Udaipur, want to go through the stairs, this is the way. And if you want to go to the Karni Mata through the rope way, it's on the top of that hill. We are going there.
Papa.
Here, that is the Karni Mata temple. We'll visit there. Let us park our car here. Then we'll go. We'll take tickets from here. Then we'll go. So finally we have reached. This is the place. We have taken tickets. Now we are going. Here's the rope way. There's a long list. At least he said that 40 minutes waiting list is there. So from here we get the entry. And you can see it's coming from there. There we will go, and this is the temple. This is the temple. You can see. We will go there. I'll show you. I'll show the experience of rope way. It's coming. So we have 40 minutes waiting list. Whenever you come here, it means you have to wait at least 40 minutes, 1 hour. Keep in mind. And down here is the Dudh Talai we came through. That hill is called the Masla Mangra. There's a long list. Here's the display, your number. I got 275. Finally, guys, our waiting list of 40 minutes going to be over. It has come. Chal, Devin बैठेगा पहले. Devin will go first. So Devin is in ropeway finally going to Karni Mata. Huh? Finally guys, we are going through the rope way, and this is the Dudh Talai. It's clearly visible, and that is the city palace. You can see that is another the best destination you can visit in Udaipur. As I told, this is a beautiful city and there are so many tourist places. You can see that is the city palace, this is the Dudh Talai, and over there that is the Pichola Lake. In the middle of that Pichola Lake, that is the Lake Palace Hotel. So here's the view of beautiful Udaipur. We are going to Karni Mata temple now. कहाँ जा रहा है देवेन? हाँ? So guys, finally we have reached. This is the rope way, and from here you can see that is the Jag Mandir into the water, and that is Pichola. So this is the rope way through which we have come here, and it's going back. Now we are going to Karni Mata temple. That's this side. Let's go. Deven, come. Keep coming, Deven, keep coming. This is the top of Udaipur, guys. Now you can clearly see this is Pichola and this is full Udaipur. The clear city is visible here from here, and the hill. If you want to see the railway station, I can show the railway station from here. There the train is parked. So this is the railway station, and there is our temple. We'll go there. This is the top point of watching Udaipur. From this place you can watch the whole Udaipur. Let me show you. This is the place from where you can see the full Udaipur. Okay, let me show you. So that building you can see, let me zoom. This is the city palace, and that is the hotel, Lake Palace. And here this side, this is the Jag Mandir, that's very popular. And this is Udaipur. This place you can see garden. I told you when I was coming through this way that this is the Gulab Bagh, totally green area. This is the Gulab Bagh, and from here you can see the complete city. There is an old way, there's some stairs. Through the stairs people also come upstairs. So this is the whole Udaipur. You can see a beautiful city, a beautiful place. Finally guys, we are here at Sri Manchapurn Karni Mata Mandir, Machla Mangra, Udaipur. So this gate is closed because of, I think, COVID protocol. Again, this is the Pichola. Another way is there. We're going through this way. This is the Karni Mata temple. This is the oldest temple. This is beautiful place of Karni Mataji. You can have darshan. Hey Mateshwari. सो आप देख सकते हैं हम पहुंचे हैं करणी माता जी के मंदिर में। आप नीचे देख पा रहे हैं ये पौराणिक मूर्ति हैं। और आप पंडित जी थोड़ा बहुत आप मंदिर के बारे में बताएं, कब स्थापित हुआ, क्या इसके बारे में?
ये मंचापूर्ण करणी माता जी है। ये 1620 में महाराजा करण सिंह जी ने बीकानेर से जोत ला के वहाँ पर मंदिर का निर्माण कराया था। ये माता पार्वती जी का अवतार है और ये चूहों वाली माता कहलाती है। जो माता जी के वाइट काबे हैं वो माता जी के वंश के हैं, और ये मंशा पूर्ण करने माता सबकी मनोकामना पूरी करती है जी।
जी, करीब करीब 1920 से 28 के बीच में इसका निर्माण हुआ था, जितना मैं इंटरनेट पे पढ़ पा रहा था। लेकिन आप काफ़ी सदियों से सेवा कर रहे हैं, आपको ज़्यादा पता होगा। और कोई इसके बारे में कोई रहस्य, ऐसे कोई चमत्कारिक चीज़ें आप बता सके तो?
1620 से 1628 में तो हमारा यहाँ पे तोप खाना बनवाया था। उस समय राजा का सिंहासन था, उस समय इस मंदिर का निर्माण भी करवाया था।
आपका शुभ नाम हुकुम?
मेरा नाम प्रदीप कुमावत।
प्रदीप जी, कब से आप सेवाएं दे रहे हैं माता जी की?
ये हमको पहले मेरे पिताजी देते थे, 91 से वो सेवा कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे। उनके बाद में मेरे को भी 10 साल हो गए यहाँ पे सेवा करते करते।
बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं प्रदीप जी, आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय माता दी। आप देख पा रहे हैं ये 1920 से 1928 के बीच में मंदिर की स्थापना हुई थी। जो पौराणिक मूर्ति हैं वो नीचे आप डीप में देख पा रहे हो, और कुछ इसकी अभी भी चल रही हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन। और ये चूहे आप देख सकते हैं, और इसका भी बहुत बड़ा रहस्य है इसके पीछे। हमें इतना नॉलेज नहीं है, इसलिए चलो हम मंदिर के पंडित जी से ही जानते हैं चूहों का क्या रहस्य। पंडित जी, ये चूहों का क्या रहस्य, इसके बारे में थोड़ा आप बताएं।
ये चूहे माता जी के वंशज है, करणी माता के वंश के हैं जी। इसमें चारण वंश की ये कुल देवी है जी। इन चारण समाज में से कोई भी 108 जाता है चूहे की योनि में जन्म लेता है जी। और चूहा कोई अगर मर गया तो उसको चारण वंश में जन्म मिलेगा जी। ये करणी माता ने यमराज से वरदान लिया हुआ है कि मेरा वंशज जो भी मरेगा उसको स्वर्ग और नरक धरती पर दिखाऊंगी और मूषक बनकर मेरे मंदिर में रखूंगी।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद पंडित जी, आपका बहुत बहुत। तो आप देख सकते हैं ये इसके पीछे भी रहस्य जो आप चूहे देख पा रहे हैं। मंदिर के दर्शन के बाद आपको वापस एक बार पूरे उदयपुर के दर्शन करवाते हैं, बिकॉज आई सेड दैट दिस इज़ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस एंड thousands of the people visit every day. This is a beautiful temple. It's under construction, still construction going on. And again we are back to this platform from where you can see the Pichola, Jagmandir. Again you can see the beauty of Udaipur. That is Dudh Talai, City Palace, everything. So if you are planning to visit Udaipur, then you should make a plan. It will take at least 4 to 5 days to visit full Udaipur, right? So that is the rope way from which we came here. Guys, this is a station of rope way. Now we are going to return. We are going to return now. So when we return, there is a place. This is again a waiting room जहाँ पे हमें वेट करना पड़ता है, और यहाँ एक गेमिंग जोन है। यदि बच्चे साथ में आते हैं तो उनको गेम के लिए भी एक अच्छी प्लेस है, खेलने के लिए, टाइम पास करने के लिए। I decided to teach Devin to play a game of car driving. He is going to play it. So guys, here our journey completes. Write your feedback. How was this vlog? And this was a small vlog of Karni Mata temple. Bye.